Soil covering operations continue across 3 sites at the Navotas landfill to accelerate the extinguishing of the remaining fire. A further decrease in hotspots has been recorded. Today, DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon inspected the landfill together with the Japanese ambassador to the Philippines, Endo Kazuya, DENR Secretary Juan Miguel Cuna, Mayor John Ray Tiangco, and technical experts from the Japan Disaster Response Team. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has ordered the implementation of all necessary government measures, including seeking recommendations from international experts. The goal is to resolve the fire and ensure public safety against toxic emissions from the landfill. More than 50 heavy equipment units have already entered the landfill after gaining access through the access road. According to Secretary Dizon, an estimated 90% of the 44-hectare landfill has been affected by the fire, with nearly 50% already extinguished.
Basta tuloy-tuloy nga kasi challenging nga kasi lalo na itong area na to, kita mo naman, yung taas ng aakyatin ng mga equipment, hindi biro yan. At saka delikado yan kasi very unstable yan.
Technical support from Japan International Cooperation Agency or JICA also continues, now focused on soil spreading and covering.
Japan is in a position to provide any support when and we can provide any support or as necessary, and that's the spirit of the partnership between the Philippines and Japan.
The DENR is coordinating with the Office of Solicitor General for possible legal action against the landfill operators. Air quality in the National Capital Region or NCR continues to be monitored.
For now, sa NCR, ang mataas na lang na lugar ay Valenzuela. 48 po yung reading ngayong araw, 48 micrograms per normal cubic meter. Ng PM 2.5 po yung parameter. So medyo mataas yan dahil yung guideline values natin 35 dapat. 35 and below ang good to healthy to good.
Air pollution levels in parts of Obando, Bulacan are also showing a downward trend. RR Tubise from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.